I have the domain range numbers.
Okay.
I could share it with you. Oh wait, let me just look at it and I'll tell you what the numbers are.
Mm-hmm.
It's on my book. It's S equals
X
no
equals
S.
S.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
That squiggly line. I don't know what the name of it is. Yes.
Okay.
Parentheses. Yes.
Okay. What else?
It's actually four different sets of
Okay.
domain.
So let me put in some numbers,
Okay.
and you'll do that one later the same way.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So basically we have what we call ordered pairs. We have pair here, pair, pair. Each pair is X and Y. So the domain is basically the first number of each pair. Okay, first number of each pair, 2.
Okay.
What else?
4,
4 and 6.
6.
And you arrange these from the smallest to the highest. The range is basically the second value. That would be
3, -3.
-3
1,
and 1 and
7.
7. That's it. So basically, that's what the domain and range of this set. Okay.
Okay. But is the range supposed to be in order from smallest to largest?
Yes, yes, you should. And it is -3,
Yes.
1, and 7. Right?
Mm-hmm. So that would be the solution?
That's it, yeah. If it says domain and range, that's it. The D
Okay.
and R for range.
I have another question. It says
Mm-hmm.
it's number 19. No, let me don't skip like that.
Mm-hmm.
Find the domain of the function below. Write the answer interval notation. Okay, G
Okay.
of X equals, it's a fraction, X plus 1,
Mm-hmm.
2X subtract 6.
Okay. And what is the question?
It says find the domain of the functions below. Write your answers using interval notation.
Okay, find the domain, interval notation.
Mm-hmm.
So what you want to do is, first, let me see here. Where's the chat? So there you have a problem where your with your audio. We can't hear you either. So there. So find a domain. So when you have a fraction, you want to take this, the bottom, right? And you say that can't be 0. Okay?
Okay.
And then you solve it. Just solve it just like you solve equations.
Okay,
What do you do?
add 6.
That's right, add 6. Add 6.
Cancel the 6.
That's right, x can't be 6. Then divide by 2, that means x is not equal to what?
X is not equal to F. No,
No,
X is not equal to 6.
no, 2x not equal to 6. But the x, if you divide by 2, will be 3. It's basically the domain. You can also say, basically you can take any number except 3. Except this 3 here. So the domain will be, so it's this infinity, negative infinity. So basically any number from here to the infinity, or any number from 3 to negative infinity, not including 3, will be part of the domain. So if you turn these two into two intervals, from this is 3, so from 3 to negative infinity, okay, from 3 to negative infinity, Okay, we skip 3. What's the other interval to the right? What is the other interval? So one from 3 to infinity. And the other one?
Is from X. Oh, no.
So right here, from this one, from 3 to what?
Yeah, 3 to negative
No, we did the negative infinity. It's on the right. This one is?
positive.
It's positive.
Yes, infinity.
Okay, so you can write it this way on a graph, or this is the interval notation here that the question is asking. And here you can use this symbol, and. It looks like a U, but we say and or union. Okay, interval
My professor.
and interval. Hello?
Can you show me like from the beginning because I cannot hear you? Like I don't understand.
Yeah,
what's
no.
going on.
Can you do a square root problem?
Okay, so now we can hear you. You had a problem, Zoder. You had something with your. You had some problem with your audio.
No, now I am okay because
Yeah.
I'm
So here
leave the
for the
meeting,
first
then
one.
I joined again.
Okay, for the first one here, so the domain is just the first numbers, 4 and 6.
Okay,
And the range is the second number, -3, 1, and 7.
okay,
Okay, for this function, to find the domain, you take this, you say not equal to 0 because the bottom of a fraction can't be 0. You say not equal to 0, you solve it, you get x not equal to 3. And then you write it in the interval. So basically 3 is here. So we're not using 3, but we're using 3 to infinity, which is this. Okay, and 3 to negative infinity, which is 3 to negative infinity. So two intervals, this one and this one. In between, we use union. Union, like this, looks like a U. We say union. Okay, so that's how you find the domain of a function if you have a fraction. All right,
okay.
makes sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.